Hello everyone, we meet again to learn English with Miss Dian. In this video, we are going to learn about prepositions or words that tells us where the things are. Okay, let's get started. Where's the rabbit now? The rabbit is on the table because it is on top of the table. How about the spider? Where's the spider now? The spider is under the table. Now, look at the green frog. It is inside the box. So, the green frog is in the box. Now, look at the elephant. It is behind the tree. The elephant is behind the tree. Where's the cat now? It is next to the box. The cat is next to the box. Now, where's the lizard? It is between the bags. The lizard is between the bags. On, di atas. Under, di bawah. In, di dalam. Behind, di belakang. Next to, di samping. Between, di antara.